Welcome to YouTube. In this insightful video, we investigate the exciting world of modern agriculture and innovative techniques. We've summarized the cutting-edge methods used in today's agricultural practices. Watch only on YouTube channel Mag. Nexat is a high-tech vehicle system that sets new standards in crop production as it combines and optimizes all process steps in crop production. Nexat is electric. Nexat is currently driven by two 550 HP diesel engines that can be controlled independently, but the system is already prepared for fuel cell operation with green hydrogen. By integrating modules, each working device becomes a self-propelled vehicle with weight optimally transferred to the transport vehicle. This allows for much more accurate implementation guidance with less slippage, so that fuel consumption and CO2 emissions are significantly reduced. For example, with the Nexco harvesting module, output can be increased by more than 50% compared to traditional large combine harvesters. The even distribution of straw is also unmatched, eliminating the need for additional processing steps and allowing controlled traffic farming to be carried out all year. Next, we will head to Baden-Württemberg. Rec Service is the manufacturer of Rec Agritechnic machines, and everyone in the world trusts them. That's because they have 15 competent factory representatives and 1,000 specialist dealers. Once the straw is unloaded from the transport truck, the spreader levels it very quickly and easily. The hinge technology provides maximum power, which means directional distribution in thin layers and optimal compaction, resulting in better silage quality. This pleases not only the animals, but also the farmer. There are 3 variants, including Planter, Magnum, and Jumbo 2. In the Planter series, 6 different roller widths are available, from 1.73 meters to 2.70 meters. You can choose between rigid or hydraulically rotating machines. High compression and fast distribution can ensure good silage quality in your grass. To protect the gearbox, users can choose 2 overload protection devices on the shaft on both sides. They have a vision of farmers for farmers, not only offering products at affordable prices, but also undertaking the development and realization of new concepts, optimization of applications. REC will continue to develop pioneering technologies in the silage and stirring sectors. The presence of larger tractors makes it possible to use fertilizer spreaders with larger capacities. Tubeline provides a range of spreader tractors with a large capacity and capable of carrying 30 tons of fertilizer or grass seed. They have responded to various requests with smaller operations to achieve the same spread and customizable format through the Nitro 275R series. The 34-inch diameter shaker assembly can be removed to provide increased value and functionality. Without the shaker, the truck can operate as a trailer for other purposes. There is a paddle kit that can provide better and more even fertilizer and seed throwing. In addition to the standard yellow color, the Nitro 275 is available in a range of red, green, blue, and orange colors. On the front and rear panels of the cart, there is a rubber seal kit to help contain semi-solid materials. Sometimes fertilizer does come in both solid and semi-solid forms. There is an indicator on the gate to quickly and easily tell how open the end door is from the tractor stand. With its many features, the Nitro 275 spreader is ideal for farmers who are trying to keep their yards clean while delivering rich nutrients to the fields. Next, we move on to John Deere's premium sprayers. These are the 400 and 600 series sprayers that have the technology and performance that farmers need. Equipped with tank sizes that vary from 800 to 1600 gallons. The comfort level is very high, with a spacious and comfortable cabin that makes the days feel shorter. Engine power is able to provide faster acceleration with heavier loads and can maintain a consistent spray pattern. The exact apply system maintains pressure and can cover up to 20 hectares per hour with a more consistent spray. The mast is equipped with advanced camera detection so it can perform weed control to save herbicide use. They call it See and Spray. It can see, target, and kill seasonal weeds and perform machine learning to distinguish crops from weeds and selectively target only weeds. The pipe material is made of the best material to avoid settling in the plumbing. Saving on the use of herbicides can lead to reduced costs and less impact on crops and soil. Of course, this is something that farmers are looking forward to, reducing costs and having a lot of impact. Next, we will discuss tillage. Plowing is a way that farmers manipulate the soil to a desired condition by mechanical means. Apart from changing the soil structure, it also kills weeds and manages crop residues. In modern agriculture, the base of the plow is connected to a tractor as an auxiliary tool. The tractor used to pull the plow is a John Deere. Disc plows use round discs of hardened steel. With this disc, it is able to increase the accuracy of the tillage depth and make adjustments that take field conditions into account without the need for operator intervention. Nexat A10 is a combination mower from the manufacturer Pottinger, packed with advanced technology. New standards are applied to this machine in terms of service life, reliability, cost-effectiveness, and convenience. The combination mower is available as a regular disc mower with swath formers, with Edtine type conditioners, or alternately with RCB roller type conditioners. Load reduction and hydraulic cutter bar suspension have been carried out. The Nexat A10 has a sturdy carrier frame with a quitch hitch compatible cat. The front mower is 3 meters, the overall working width is 8.8 meters to 9.56 meters, and the center distance between two mower units is 1.8 to 2.6 meters. Nexat A10 is equipped with various features, including lift non-stop. This is an innovative technology that protects the cutter bar if it encounters obstacles. The presence of rocks, bushes, flower beds, or anything else can certainly be a problem and cause serious repercussions. The device will be installed on each side as a form of impact protection so that damage to the blade system can be minimized. The blade system can also be replaced quickly and has been proven thousands of times in the field. When used on the way to the field over the highway, the mower can be hydraulically folded and then securely locked in the transport position. Because the center frame is at its lowest point, there is no risk of damage to important driveline components. Nexat provides fast technical service so that problems regarding the product can be resolved properly. Next, we will discuss a fertilizer spreading machine that comes from Poland. Its design, which is also converted into a volumetric trailer, can be useful for harvesting silage and is perfect for medium and large farms. It is a machine with the RX 2470H Plus series and has a capacity of 18 to 28 cubic meters. It is equipped with a 160 HP engine, is designed to harvest silage, and is perfect for medium and large farms. It is equipped with a 160 HP engine and is capable of running up to 16 kilometers per hour. Euromilk has several series of the Buffalo RX, RXH, RXH Plus, and RXXH Plus. In their spreading system, it consists of 2 vertical shafts or 2 shafts plus a horizontal disc responsible for spreading the fertilizer evenly up to a distance of several meters. They offer fertilizer spreaders with single or dual shafts. The advantage of single shaft machines is their ease of maneuvering, even in difficult terrain. Euromilk has catered to the needs of its customers. They provide 3 control options to suit the customer's needs. They are mechanical from the tractor, electronic control using a dedicated controller, and electronic control using a device with a readable display. They believe that their fertilizer spreading machine can work best under certain conditions. AutoAgri is a company that focuses on developing and manufacturing autonomous equipment carriers. Currently, only the IC Series 2022 is available and will be sold to selected customers in designated segments. Operating costs can be reduced by up to 60%. Guided only by GPS, radar, and other sensors, the autonomous equipment can work alone day and night. To avoid any errors, the GPS must be absolutely accurate so that the machine can run according to our wishes. Due to the efficient driver-train, low operational weight, and speed, it can cut operating costs significantly. This is something farmers are looking forward to. Operations can be carried out with precision and under the most favorable weather conditions, minimizing the use of seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides. With a lower total weight than other tractors, it can reduce soil compaction by 20 to 50%. The Ropa Panther 2 XL is a beet harvester with a modern design. It is a development of the Panther 2, equipped with an 8 or 9 row wide lifting unit. The PR XL series is able to cover a much larger area at a lower harvesting speed. Reduced fuel consumption, lower fixed costs, and better topping quality are the advantages of the Ropa Panther 2 XL. With the wide PR XL lifting unit installed, the front axle of the Panther 2 can be fitted with wider and more ground-protective Ultraflex 900 by 60 R38 tires. The Panther 2 XL is still equipped with the Volvo 700 HP inline 6-cylinder engine with EPA 4 final emission levels and a capacity of 16.12 liters. The lift units have full hydraulic drives in rows 6, 8, and 9. On this type, the driver is given a great view of the entire lift unit. The RR lifting units are equipped with counter-rotating oscillating shares, 7 lifting rollers, fully maintenance-free hydraulic crock protection, and single row lifting depth adjustment. The 850mm large depth control wheel combined with the intelligent 3-point suspension guarantees accurate lifting depth control. The Ropa Panther 2 features an innovative chassis concept with 2 floating axles and 4 stabilizing cylinders. Compared to the conventional chassis of a 2-axle beet harvester, this reduces machine sway by 50%. Next, we will move on to the fields that are ready for harvest. Groundnuts are a crop commonly grown by agricultural producers. Groundnuts require special machinery and preparation to ensure a successful harvest. We just need to carefully dig up the crop and remove the remaining soil. But with a field this size, it can't be done quickly. This is the 8310R series John Deere tractor engine with a pulling peanut harvester. This tractor is equipped with a 9.0-liter PowerTech PSX engine. The combination of advanced design features contained in the engine is able to produce efficient use of engine power so that fuel consumption can be reduced. The steering system has been designed to be strong enough to pass through bumpy roads so that the tractor stays straight even on rough terrain. Steering wheel drift and tilt are eliminated with the AC's electronic control system. John Deere is very famous for its technology and innovation in the world of agriculture. They believe that with the development of technology, there will be precision work, efficiency, productivity, and profitability. With this tractor machine, farmers will find it easier to harvest peanuts, and harvest success will reach 100%. John Deere has been successful in meeting the expectations of farmers. Next, we will look at a tank made by Min Industries, which is a leading equipment manufacturer in international liquid fertilizer deployment. They call it the Magnum top load. This tank structure has been sandblasted to bare metal, acid washed, and coated with an epoxy primer. The epoxy primer coating is a base coat paint to slow down the corrosion process and is widely used for aircraft painting coatings. This tank is available with a capacity between 1,900 and 9,000 gallons. The front of the tank, which connects to the tractor, is designed to be long for easy handling and to provide balance to the truck. The injection technology at the rear complements this tanker truck in doing its job. It is injection equipment that allows for dramatic yield increases, reduced odors and pollution on the surface and below the surface. There is a trimline feature to ensure better nitrogen utilization and reduce the movement of ammonium, phosphate, and pathogens. It is equipped with large tires, and there are brakes on each wheel to increase safety in operation. The Ropa Panther 2 XL is a beet harvester with a modern design. It is a development of the Panther 2, equipped with an 8 or 9 row wide lifting unit. The PRXL series is able to cover a much larger area at a lower harvesting speed. Reduced fuel consumption, lower fixed costs, and better topping quality are the advantages of the Ropa Panther 2 XL. With the wide PRXL lifting unit installed, the front axle of the Panther 2 can be fitted with wider and more ground-protective Ultraflex 900 by 60 R38 tires. The Panther 2 XL is still equipped with the Volvo 700 HP inline 6-cylinder engine with EPA 4 final emission levels and a capacity of 16.12 liters. The lift units have full hydraulic drives in rows 6, 8, and 9. On this type, the driver is given a great view of the entire lift unit. The RR lifting units are equipped with counter-rotating oscillating shares, 7 lifting rollers, fully maintenance-free hydraulic crock protection, and single row lifting depth adjustment. The 850mm large depth control wheel combined with the intelligent 3-point suspension guarantees accurate lifting depth control. The Ropa Panther 2 features an innovative chassis concept with 2 floating axles and 4 stabilizing cylinders. Compared to the conventional chassis of a 2-axle beet harvester, this reduces machine sway by 50%. Next, we will move on to harvesting machines manufactured by Munkhoff. Since 1884, the J.M. van den Munkhoff Machinery Factory has been building and developing various agricultural implements. They have specialized in spraying, harvesting, and filling crates for fruit planting. This is a multi-purpose harvester that they call the Ploco-Track. More precisely, it is a multi-purpose harvesting aid for picking mainly apples, pears, peaches, plums, and oranges. In this video, they are harvesting fresh apples. The founder of Munkhoff has had 50 years of development and innovation to ensure the Ploco-Track can be used worldwide for efficient and labor-saving harvesting arrangements. You can see that there are 6 workers divided into 3 teams, with 2 workers on top picking the fruit, 2 workers in the center of the tree, and the last 2 workers below picking the fruit, so that all harvesting workers can work at all levels without using ladders because they have been accommodated by machines. The fruit is placed directly on a moving track in a crate for harvest storage. This machine has a height of up to 4 meters. The design of the machine allows it to function in hilly, sandy, and rocky conditions. Even 16 crates can be transported in combination with a crate carrier. The Ploco-Track is not only a good helper when picking fruit, but can also be used for pruning, thinning, and hail netting activities. The use of the Ploco-Track results in improved picking performance and a significant reduction in fruit damage. Next, we will head to the Brack Forest. They are the world leaders in forest regeneration. This is the P11A series planter, and it is possible to do the complete regeneration work from scarification to planting with one machine. P11A provides regeneration of the highest quality and with the greatest possible consideration for environmental and ecological aspects. Typically, the Brack P11A makes a mound with inverted humus, compacts it, and places the plants in the center of the mound. Mounds are the preferred planting method for most soil types. It is even possible to vary the scarification by raking the soil with a head bucket, making scarification patches, or planting directly without scarification. All functions are easily controlled from the driver's cab. Adjustments and readings of planting depth, compaction, and other variables are made via the in-cab display, and all units in the control system can communicate via the CAN bus. The control system keeps track of the number of plants planted in the ground, both for individual sites and in total, and the number of hours worked. The planting and stacking functions are controlled easily with 2 control buttons on top of the control system. Next, we will discuss harvesting equipment made by Max Steel. Max Steel started its service in the country of Istanbul in 1989. They divide their product groups from planting group, spraying fertilization group, and harvesting group. In this video, it is the harvest group, and they call it Oracle Maize Head. You can see that the number of rows in yellow at the front is available from 4 to 8, but the total length is only 3 meters. The machine speed recommended by the company is only 5 km/h for maximum output. The number of cutting knives you can choose from 8 to 16. The distance between the knives is hydraulically adjustable, so farmers can adjust it easily. The hardness level of the blade material reaches a scale of 50.8. This is a good level, and the larger the scale, the more resistant and long-lasting the knife will be. In the center and each side, there is a red iron that rotates to lead the crop inside. This is done to avoid the plants coming out, with a special rolling system so that no corn waste is produced when this machine operates. Of course, this is very attractive to farmers to harvest their corn fields. Agriculture has never been as innovative, efficient, and connected as it is today with modern farm machinery. Continued innovation in technology promises to usher in a new era of the agricultural revolution. Our last video goes to Brower Kesmik, which has revolutionized the way grass is harvested around the world. It starts from cutting the soil with a mower, piles it onto a pallet, moves it onto a conveyor, and then rolls it up and puts the roll on a pallet in just one operation. The goal is convenience, and you can do it without much labor. In the last decade, these harvesters have harvested trillions of sod rolls and slabs, saving manufacturers millions of dollars. In this video is the Brower Kesmik 6000 DS machine that is being produced in 2023. The simple stacking system gently moves 4 or 5 rolls of sod at a time onto a rear-mounted pallet. Even stacks of sod rolls at the end are easy to handle or pick up with a forklift. This is a form of innovation that not only harvests the soil, but is also easy to pick up the grass rolls with a forklift. The automatic pallet injector can accommodate double-sided pallets and holds about 18 pallets. For now, the 6000 TS version is the best in its class. The previous version, Brower 4000, has already proven its simple and sophisticated performance. It is equipped with a 127 horsepower Caterpillar diesel engine. The Brower telematics feature allows for remote diagnostics and monitoring using GSM/GPS communication. In the cab, excellent visibility of the cutter, conveyor, and piling areas. Once programmed, these machines can perform certain tasks autonomously, reducing the need for manual intervention. Thanks to features such as artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, these machines can analyze data in real time and make informed decisions. This automation not only makes farming more efficient, but also reduces the need for farmers' physical labor. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting content about the development of the agricultural world only at Mag.